Hello my dear students, welcome to History Classroom. Hope you all are fine. In the previous class we studied that a conservative regime was set up in France. Liberalism and nationalism came to be increasingly associated with the revolution in many regions of the Europe, such as Italian and German states, the provinces of the Ottoman Empire, Ireland, Poland, etc. These revolutions were led by the liberal educated middle class, such as professors, lawyers, teachers, clerks, etc. Dear children, our topic is the age of revolution 1830 to 1848. The first upheaval took place in France in July 1830. This revolution was known as July Revolution. Let us study about the July Revolution. What was July Revolution? The revolution that took place in France in July 1830 was known as July Revolution. The Bourbon dynasty, which was restored to power by the conservative, was now overthrown by the liberal revolutionaries and established a constitutional monarchy with Louis Philippe as its head. The liberal revolutionaries overthrew the Bourbon dynasty and established a constitutional monarchy with Louis Philippe as its head. Who was the head of the constitutional monarchy? Louis Philippe. Duke Metternich remarked, when France sneezes, the rest of the Europe catches cold. If anything happens in the France, the rest of the Europe catches cold. Means it will be affected by the rest of the Europe. The July Revolution inspired the people of the Belgium and started uprising in the Brussels. Brussels is the capital city of the Belgium. This led to the breaking away of the Belgium from the United Kingdom of the Netherlands. Okay. This led to the breaking away of the Belgium from the United Kingdom of the Netherlands. This was the July Revolution. What was July Revolution? The liberal revolutionaries established a constitutional monarchy in France with Louis Philippe as its head. The July Revolution inspired the other countries of the Europe, example Belgium. This led to the breaking away of the Belgium from the United Kingdom of the Netherlands. Next one, Greek War of Independence. Greece was the part of Ottoman Empire or Turkey since 15th century. Ottoman Empire or Turkey was a Muslim empire. So Greece was the part of Ottoman Empire since 15th century. Greeks were influenced by the revolutionary nationalism in Europe, and they started a struggle for their independence in 1821. The Greek War of Independence in 1821. Greeks got support from the Europeans because they believed that Greece is the cradle of the European civilization. Okay, so Greek got the support from the Europeans because they believed that Greece is the cradle of the European civilization. Why? The Greece is the cradle of European civilization because it gave birth every aspect of the culture. This sympathy towards ancient Greek culture made the Europeans to oppose the Muslim empire. An English poet, Lord Byron, English poet Lord Byron organized funds, collected the funds, and later he fought in the war, where he died of fever in 1824. Who was Lord Byron? An English poet. he organized or collected funds. And later, he went to fight in the war, where he died of fever. Finally, the Treaty of Constantinople of 1832 recognized Greece as an independent nation. Which treaty recognized Greece as an independent nation? Treaty of Constantinople. So, explain about the Greek War of Independence. Greece was the part of Ottoman Empire or Turkey. Greece is known as the cradle of European civilization. This sympathy towards ancient Greek culture made the Europeans to oppose the Ottoman Empire. An English poet, Lord Byron, organized funds for the war, where he died of fever in 1824. He went to fight in the war, but he died of fever in 1824. Finally, the Treaty of Constantinople of 1832 recognized Greece as an independent nation. Dear students, next one, romantic imagination. How did culture play an important role in creating the nationalism in Europe? Look at the screen. How did culture play an important role in creating the idea of nationalism? Culture played an important role in creating the idea of nationalism. Culture includes art, literature, poetry, story, music, etc. Let us study important key points. First one, Romanticist. Next, German Romanticist. Role of vernacular language. Karol Karpinski. Language and nationalism. First one, Romanticist. Romanticists criticized science and reason, and they had given importance to emotions, intuition, and mystical feeling. Romanticists criticized science and reason, and they had given importance to the people's emotions, intuition, and mystical feelings. It created a sense of collective heritage and a common cultural past on the basis of nation. Next one, German Romanticist. Johann Gottfried Herder was a German philosopher. According to him, the true culture of Germany can be discovered among the common people. Common people is otherwise known as Das Volk. So what is the meaning of Das Volk? Question will come. Common people. Okay. The true spirit of nation can be popularized through folk songs, folk dances, and folk poetry. Folk poetry is otherwise known as Volksgeste. So what is the meaning of Volksgeste? Folk poetry. What is the role of German Romanticist? To create nationalism. Johann Gottfried Herder was a German philosopher. According to him, the true culture of Germany can be discovered among the common people. The true spirit of nation can be popularized through folk songs, folk dances, and folk poetry. Next one, role of vernacular language. What is vernacular language? Local people's language. The emphasis on vernacular language was to spread the idea of nationalism to a large audience who were illiterate. The philosophers or romanticists conveyed their message to large people through the local languages. Okay, these are the role of vernacular language to create the idea of nationalism. Next one, Karol Karpinski. Here one question will come. Explain any three ways in which nationalist feelings were kept alive in Poland in the 18th and 19th century. Karol Karpinski was a Polish romanticist. Okay. Poland had been partitioned by the great powers Russia, Prussia, and Austria, and was losing national identity. Poland had been divided or partitioned by the great powers such as Russia, Prussia, and Austria. and it lost its national identity. In order to keep their nationalist feeling, the Polish people used their culture in a big way. Karol Karpinski was a Polish romanticist. He spread the idea of nationalism through opera and music. What was opera and music? He used dance forms like Polonaise and Mazurka to spread the idea of nation. One more question will come. What was Polonaise and Mazurka? These were the dance forms introduced by the Karol Karpinski. He used two types of dance forms, Polonaise and Mazurka, to spread the idea of nation. Next one, language and nationalism. Language played an important role in developing nationalism. After the Russian domination, the Polish language was forced out of schools and the Russian language was imposed. I told you Poland had been partitioned by the great powers such as Russia, Prussia and Austria. Okay. Now, the Polish language was forced out of the schools and the Russian language was imposed. But in 1831, an armed rebellion against the Russian rule took place in Poland, which was ultimately crushed, suppressed. After it, many members in Poland used language as a weapon of national resistance. Polish was used in church gathering and prayers. As a result, many priests and bishops were put in jail and sent to Siberia. Dear children, now we studied about the Romanticist. How did culture play an important role to create nationalism? First point, Romanticist. Next one, German Romanticist. Example, Johann Gottfried Herder. Next one, Karol Karpinski. Next, role of vernacular language. Last one, language and nationalism. Who was Karol Karpinski? Karol Karpinski was a Polish romanticist. What were the two dance forms introduced by him? Polonaise and Mazurka. Who was Johann Gottfried Herder, German romanticist. Dear children, today we studied about July Revolution, Greek War of Independence and Romantic Imagination. I hope you understood the topic very well. URL related to this topic is attached. Watch the URL. Notes and test questions are also attached. Attend the test paper very seriously. We can meet in the next session. Bye students.